everyone, it's Zemirah Moffat here, and it's my turn this week to give you your top tip for the week. And this was inspired by a client of mine who said, wouldn't it be interesting to learn a little bit more about all of your business names? So mine's called Insightful Moves, Elaine's is Clear Mountain, and Clara's is Joy of Space. So where did the name Insightful Moves come from? Well, first off, big thanks to my friend Emma when I lived down in the Forest of Dean, because she actually came up with the name. But what does it mean? So the insightful move is the move that takes the least amount of energy to have the most positive effect. So it's the least amount of energy to have the most positive effect. Can I just apologise at the moment, because I think there's like a clicking that's happening on my microphone. I'm not 100% sure why that is, but I certainly noticed it. So apologies, hope you can bear with for the next few minutes. So the insightful move is the move that takes the least amount of energy to have the most positive effect. And typically, for example, you're in your house and you need a paper clip or some scissors or something, and you think, or some sellotape, and you think, oh, I haven't got it, I must go out to the shop. I bet you it's in your house somewhere. I bet you that if you put your hand out, the answer is probably closer than you think. So the least amount of energy for yourself, rather than going out to the shops and rebuying and having all that cost on your money, on your purse and on the environment, it probably is within your house. So I've got an example here, is that I was given this lovely wooden mug by another friend of mine, and it has my name on it, Zemirah, but unfortunately the handle broke, and it wasn't kind of very good or satisfying to use it for a drink. But I thought, I want to keep hold of it, and I needed somewhere to store my pens, so I put my pens in it. So rather than go to the excess energy of like giving it to a charity shop or figuring what to do with it, I just reused it. And that's another idea. So the insightful move is also the move that has the most positive effect on yourself, on the people around you, your neighbours, your loved ones, your friends, and on the environment as well. And typically it takes a little bit of intelligent tea drinking. Intelligent tea drinking is the other term I use for my work. So, for example, you have a cupboard that is stuffed to the gunnels with cups and other stuff, and you get annoyed every morning, every time you want to get a cup or a plate. You get annoyed because things maybe about to fall down on you, and it's just not making it pleasant in the morning. So the insightful move would be for yourself to reduce your annoyance, and I don't like being annoyed, to clear the cupboard so that you can easily get access to the cups, and for that fundamental, for me, cup of tea. So once you've cleared the cupboard and you've decided, I'm going to let go of some cups. So the cups that you're going to let go of, the first thing to do is like, well, where are they going to go? Who should I give them to? Or can I give them? So keep the ones that make you happy. And then the ones that you've decided, I'm going to give those away, then first think, is there someone close to home, either geographically or to my heart, that I can give them to? So my friend Peter expressed that he enjoyed a particular cup of mine. Maybe I could give that to him. Or is there a charity shop that I can give them to? Or maybe, do you know what, they're a bit rough, they're a bit broken. I can either smash them and put them as ceramic bits in the bottom of a plant pot, or sometimes you just have to decide it's got to go in the bin. I've tried my best, I can't repurpose, I can't think of any other way. But going back to the beginning of the cycle, you are treating yourself well, because you now can have a pleasant cup of tea because you can reach for the mug without annoyance. And so it has a positive effect. And if you decide to give things away, it has a positive effect on relationships, may raise money for charity. And so that is all very well and good. So the insightful move is the move that takes the least amount of energy, how little you have to move to get something done, to have the most positive effect. The most positive effect on yourself, on the people around you, and on our lovely planet. that is your tip for the week. Have a lovely rest of your week, everybody. And tune back in at 11 o'clock next Wednesday for the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.